In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on the Booking.com app, whether your experience was outstanding or left much to be desired. Sharing your thoughts can help others make informed decisions about their travel plans. So grab your mobile phone and let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Booking.com app. Once you've got that open, direct your gaze to the bottom of your screen and find the My Account icon located on the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed. This will take you to your personal account page, where you can view and manage your reservations, personal details, and much more. Next, you'll need to scroll down until you see My Reviews. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a dummy account and don't have any reviews yet. But not to worry, the steps remain the same whether you have previous reviews or not. If you're a frequent user of Booking.com, you might find multiple options or listings for reviews. Simply select the booking for which you'd like to leave a review. Once you've chosen the appropriate booking, the app will prompt you to rate your stay. This is an overall rating system using a scale from 1 to 10, with 1 being a bad experience and 10 representing an exceptional one. Think about your overall impression of the stay before you settle on a number. After you've rated your stay, the app will guide you through a series of questions to further detail your experience. Here, you'll be able to provide ratings on specific aspects such as comfort, location, cleanliness, value for money, and the quality of the staff. Take your time with these questions, as they offer a comprehensive view of your experience for future travelers. Once you've completed the evaluation, there's a text box available for any additional comments or specifics you want to share. This is your chance to mention any standout moments, good or bad, that you think are important. Finally, when you feel confident in your review and have said everything you want to say, look for the Finish button. Tapping this will submit your review and make it available for others to see, contributing to the community of travelers. And there you have it. That's how you leave a review on the Booking.com app. It's quick, straightforward, and incredibly helpful for others planning their next trip. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.